Make una see as water dey carry Esan people. This one, they say it happened today for Ekpoma. Ekpoma, very close to Okpebolo's local government. The propaganda wey dem bin dey do before be say e dey work for a place, e no dey work for Benin. Wetin we don gather so far now be say e no dey work for anywhere. Na money dey just dey thief. The party chairman say he come watch ball for London. Definitely na first class they come take watch ball. Na because we smoke them, say they come do nonsense for London, for Park Lane for London. Na there they stay. Now he come go stadium, go dey say na ball he come watch. Just carry Edo money, buy first class ticket, come London, come watch ball. Water not carry Esan people finish. Yeah. The man is not walking anywhere. Okpebolo is a curse to the Beninese. To Okpebolo is a curse to Edo people. Watch this video. I don't even watch this video finish. I don't feel watch her finish.
Hey! That's the comeback. That can hit you to see it. Hey! Hey! You don't go. Hey! God! Hey! 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 You don't also think. That guy power go finish. Hey! Hey! How do I want to help her? Give me. Hey, see Percy. I pay me not small. Hey! See the man bag. Now the man bag with this one. I see his number. I beg anybody who know this number, I beg. See, even the man phone self, we don't go. See, because now we Bill if he go carry. The man go enter erosion. Erosion don't carry him. For Wombo. You know Wombo. That's Uyele Road. Near Zeko Hotel. So now the man back with this one. Anybody will know him.
Anybody don't know say house man not reach house.
So I beg. Now the man back with this one.
The back
So now me the video now. So the back now, sef, may the Okada go station, sef. The Okada go station, so may they go station.